Hi guys, Candy Blaze here at Candy's Rods and Customs at 1722 Claremont Avenue in the beautiful heart of downtown Ashland. Guys, there's some pretty exciting stuff happening here at the Hot Rod Shop, and I'm just in one small portion of the building right now. So let's talk about some of the stuff that's happening. Check this out. That is a piece of a very small junior dragster. Now, junior dragsters come in several sizes, but that's one of the smallest back here, and it belongs to a beautiful young little girl. And well, I will fill you in more on that with some pictures coming up here pretty soon, but all I can say is flames. Okay, you know what's behind it though? Let's talk about what's behind it, guys. Okay, the 1967 Corvette 427 car is now completely off the frame and on the rotisserie. How exciting is this, guys? I am so stoked. Oh my. So we've already done some incredible fiberglass work on it, and now we have the entire frame exposed and the 427, of course. So now the real work begins, so we can rotate it 360 degrees. All right, something extra special is behind me. Guys, that's the 1972 Atomic Fireball of myself and Rob McCrae's. Where's that 396? Oh my God, where is that 396? Just kidding. It's right here because it is getting some incredible Trick Flow top end performance upgrades, you guys. Oh my gosh. You want to see it? Well, we're going to be at the Detroit AutoRama February 28th through March 1st. And well, we'll have this baby there. And we'll also be at the Cleveland AutoRama. We'll have a booth there. But the Nova won't be at our booth. Sorry. But you can still see it featured at the Trick Flow booth, guys. Trick Flow, because we're authorized dealers of Trick Flow. I'm really excited about that. So there's a lot of excitement. I wouldn't recommend taking shots to the word excitement in this feed, otherwise you're already going to be drunk halfway through it. Behind me is the 1932 original Henry Ford steel body cab. Guys, this thing even has some of the original wood in it, and this has been quite the build here at Candy's. Chevy Cheyenne has been one of our lead metal builders on this, and she's done a phenomenal job with a little bit of assistance from our teacher and shop foreman, Thomas Thompson. The two have done immaculate work on this, and this baby's probably only about a week out from primer. Actually, there's Cheyenne back there working right now in those little final details, getting it ready for stages of primer. Okay, are you muscle car guy or gal? Well, this is the 1969 Camaro back here, and well, oh my guys, the teardown is coming along like you wouldn't believe. She's naked. Okay, well, she's not naked. Her insides are kind of naked. But we still got a lot of stripping to do yet on all the paint. And there's some adhesive yet on the floor that we got to get all that off. Make sure there's no pinholes that we're not seeing in there. But guys, before you know it, this thing's going to be down to bare metal. I am so stoked. I didn't say excited. Oh, I did. Okay. All right, so a lot of other stuff is going on too. We got the 57 Chevy. Woo! Behind me, and I was just at Box Performance, guys, last week, and well, that's what's going in. That is a beautiful Box Performance motor. They literally are taking a 454 and boring it out, and oh my gosh, guys, it makes my heart pitter-patter for that. And of course, you guys know that's going to be a Pro Tour Mod Resto. It's already had 4 inches for lowering. It's had a mini tub. The frames in the back, we're doing the 4-link on that, the tubular A-arms, the rack and pinion, guys. This thing's gonna be off the hook and insane, and well, that's some extreme metal work right there. See, the 66 GMC starting to come along. She's back in the other spot, and next week you're actually gonna see that baby back here. And guys, there's a 64 Cadillac convertible back there, right? So much is happening right now. We are actually still booking for small jobs, but we are continually booked out till July of 2020 for larger jobs. So if you're looking to get in, start scheduling now, because otherwise we're going to be out another 6 months. Anyway, make sure you check out www.candyscustoms.com because we've got our events updated on there, and there are some spectacular events coming up soon, very, very soon. So check it out and check out all the builds in our build albums. All right, bye guys. I'll see you later. Have a great week.